Charlie's tried already, but if you think you can get the cricket, go for it. Do you actually get him? I've not heard him. Matilda. Where's the cricket, baby? Can you find it? So this is the behind the fridge area. Matilda is looking for a cricket. This would be the alley of the house. So have you not found the cricket, or have you found it and you're looking for more? So if you got the cricket, that's like a huge bonus. You want to jump up? Why don't you pop back up? Matilda, come up here. Come here. Matilda, come up. Come up, girl. Jump. Jump up. Jump. Jump. You could do it. I know you could jump that high. Come on, jump. Good girl. Matilda, did you find the cricket? Did you find the cricket, baby? No? No luck, huh? First interview with Cat Matilda, who may have actually spotted the cricket and perhaps eaten the cricket. Matilda, any words for the audience about the cricket? Did you catch the cricket? What's the deal? Did you catch the cricket? I mean, we don't hear the cricket anymore. You were just behind the fridge. Just, wait. We're trying to get some answers here. You're not saying anything. Matilda.